As a director of flight operation, I am responsible for all flight crew and 24/7 operation efficiency for myself and my team to be able to deliver Malaysian hospitality and our promise to our customers. We need the support of strong engineering and maintenance. It is important for us that the aircraft is safe, on time and fully functional. The seat and IFE must be working. We must be able to service our customers where and when it is needed. As you know, our business goal is to become a premium and profitable airline in Asia Pacific. For engineering maintenance division to deliver our requirements effectively, they need a strong IT system. AMOS, which will be implemented later this year, is the industry-leading solutions used by more than 150 airlines worldwide. Our operation team OCC will interface with E&M through Maintenance Operation Control. We call it MOC. AMOS will provide them with all the information required in one place to aid quick and effective decisions, which is needed in a dynamic airline operations environment. My team and I also have a role to play in helping engineering and maintenance, as we must keep E&M updated with the status of the aircraft. Because if E&M are not aware that there is a problem, they will not be able to plan or organizing to fix it. As I always say, report it to fix it. I'm very confident that we can all together achieve our goal of becoming a premium and profitable airline in Asia Pacific.
With AMOS, it enables us to connect between the departments and integrated under one platform. This actually gives us a greater visibility on data and traceability at one go. Quality data, aircraft data, can ensure future business planning at ease with the linked records management in AMOS. It improves our efficiency for us to deliver our asset information on time.
I'm happy because it's all integrated, communication will be transparent, thus initiative can be well implemented.
I am very excited and I'm looking forward to AMOS. In MOC, we manage defects, we keep the aircraft airworthy, ensuring it departs on time and safe to fly. AMOS is giving me full visibility of the aircraft in real time so that I can create immediate ground time to fix those defects.
Engineering is our internal partner, and without them working efficiently and effectively, we will not able to provide world-class Malaysian hospitality to our customers.
Whether we are facing customers directly or otherwise, it is everybody's responsibility to fulfill our brand promise of Malaysian hospitality. This will ensure we become a premium and profitable airlines in Asia Pacific.
Engineering team's success will be our success.